Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online EVS 1 class. How is it going? I hope you are doing well. Let's take quick recall about what we have learned in the previous class. We have seen different farming tasks which farmer has to carry out in his farm to obtain grain. For example, plowing, harrowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Harrowing include break up the lumps of soil and removing the weeds, etc. Now let's learn about the other farming tasks. The grain obtained after winnowing is filled in sacks. Proper care is taken to make sure that it will not be attacked by insects or other pests such as mice and rats. After putting aside some grain for the family, the remaining sacks are sent to the marketplace to be sold. When the traders there buy the grain, the farmers gets money for the crops that he has grown. Children, shall we get bhakri now? No, of course not. And the story is not finished either. Listen, the traders purchase the grain from the farmer and are going to sell all over the country. How they will send this grain all over the country? Correct. With the help of means of transport. It is transported by means of trucks or goods trains. Now children, who will work hard? Correct. Truck drivers and porters. It is the turn of porters and truck drivers to put in their labor. Transport costs a lot too. Now the sacks of grain reach the provision stores. People buy the grain from them. They sort out any stones or rubbish to clean the grain. They get it milled into flour. Children, still we did not get bhakri. Now who will put in labor to make bhakri? Correct. Mother will work hard in the kitchen and then only we will get bhakri. But how will she prepare bhakri? Let's see. While cooking, the flour is kneaded into lumps. The lumps are then flattened into a bhakri and roasted. We spend on fuel too. And thus, at the end of all this, the bhakri appears in our plate. It means starting from preparing the fields till storing the grain in warehouses, many different kinds of tasks are carried out for growing crops. For example, sowing, harvesting, threshing, winnowing are some of these tasks. After that, the crop is transported, sold and prepared for eating. Only then do we get food on our plates. Now, would it be right to waste food that we get through the efforts of so many people? No. We should take care that food is not wasted. Children, we have variety of foodstuffs in our diet. How do we get this variety of foodstuffs? We get a variety of foodstuffs through the efforts of many different people. All people put in a lot of hard work in their own occupations. We get a variety of foodstuffs as a result of their efforts. The efforts and labor of many other people are also required for storing, transporting, and marketing them, as well as preparing the various dishes we eat. All these processes are expensive. Therefore, It is necessary for all of us to take care that food is not wasted. So children, always remember, we get a variety of foodstuffs through the efforts of many different people. Let us always be grateful to them. So children, lesson is over. Read the lesson at home and tell the story of Bhakri to your younger or elder brother or sister or to your parents. Have a fantabulous day ahead. Take care.